To solve the word problem given to us, we can convert it into an expression. First, we are given increasing the quantity x, which means something is added to x. Next, it is given that the quantity is being increased by 400%. So we add 400% of x to the expression. Finally, the result of this increase is 60. So we can equate the expression to 60. Now, 400% can be given as 400 divided by 100. Simplifying the expression will give us the value of x.
To solve the word problem given to us, that word percentage of 300 is 75. We can convert this thing into expression and we can go word by word. So let's start with the very first one. That is what? That is unknown. So let's write it as x. Then comes percentage, meaning I have to divide it with 100 in order to get the percentage. Of is times 300 is means equals to 75. Now let's simplify. 100 1 times 1, 3. I have 3x equals to 75. Dividing 3 on both sides, it will become 75 over 3. That is 25.
Here we are given 210 is p% greater than 30 and we need to find the value of p. So they are basically asking how many percent 30 needs to be increased to get the value of 210. So we can write 30 plus p% of 30 equals 210. Once we have the expression, we can simplify by dividing the whole thing by 30. Next, p% can be written as p divided by 100. Simplifying will give us the value of p. If the result of increasing the quantity x by 400% is 60, we can find the value of x by converting this word problem into expression. Since quantity x is being increased by 400%, we can write x plus 400% of x. And since the result of this increase is 60, we can equate this expression to 60. Next, 400% can be written as 400 divided by 100. Simplifying the equation will give us the value of x. A school district is forming a committee for the construction of new high school and invites 15% parents, 45% teachers, 25% admins, and the remaining 6 individuals are student. In order to figure out how many more teachers were invited than admin, we can first find the percentage of students invited by subtracting the other group's percentages from 100. Next, to identify the total individual invited, we know 15% of the total individual is 6. Using that information, the total persons are calculated to be 40. Now taking 45% and 25% of 40 will give us the number of teachers and admins invited. Finally, subtracting the two will give us how many more teachers were invited. In the problem, we are given that number A is 110% greater than number B. We can write it into an expression as A equals B plus 110% of B. Similarly, if B is 90% less than 47, it can be written as B equals to 47 minus 90% of 47. Finally, the value of A can be calculated by substituting the value of B in the above equation. If the regular price of a shirt is $11.70 and on sale the shirt is 80% less than the regular price, but is still 30% greater than the store's cost, to find the store cost, we can start by first calculating the sales price that is 80% less than the regular price. So we can write the equation sales price equals 1 minus zero point 0.8 times the regular price. That is coming $2.34. Next, since sale price is 30% greater than the cost, we can write the equation sales price is equals to 1 plus zero point 0.3 times the cost price. Simplifying will give us the store's cost.
To figure out what percentage of 780 is 195, we need to multiply the unknown percentage by 780 and equate it to 195.
The line graph for the total snow in Washington, D.C. from year 2003 to year 2015 is provided. To calculate the percent decrease in annual snowfall from the year 2003 to 2007, we just need to take the difference in annual snowfall in the year 2003 and year 2007 and divide it by the snowfall in the year 2003. Multiplying by 100 will give us the percentage, which is coming 75. If a gift shop buys souvenirs at a wholesale price of $7 and retail it at 290% of the wholesale price, and at the end of the season, the unsold items are marked at a discount of 80% of the retail. In order to calculate the discounted price, we can first figure out the retail price, that is 290% of the $7, which is coming $20.40. Next, since the discount price is 80% of the retail, we can write the equation as discounted price equals 1 minus zero point 0.8 times the retail price. Simplifying will give us our discounted price.